Hi, this is Joseph. It is Monday. It's February 23rd, and we're going to take a quick look at some of the trades and also potential trades that are developing during the Asian and possible London session. So we had the very last trade that I executed here was on the pound dollar. This was an HL30 off of support. Now this one earned me approximately 25 pips on this trade here. And I did have a prior losing trade on the dollar yen. I lost approximately 19 pips. So I not only earned back the loss, but we also earned back an extra 6 pips here. Now, I also want to quickly review and go through the 30-minute time frames because of this range of consolidation that we see for the last couple of trading days. There was obviously a spike lower, but what I'm talking about is if you take a look at the previous day, which was Friday's trading range, we're currently trading inside of that range right now. And we want to be really careful when we do that. Sometimes the signals aren't always going to be as reliable. What I'm expecting the possibility of trading is HL30s. So I'm going to be trading, in other words, looking at the price swings and the consolidation that's in place. It more or less tells me which technique to be using. I don't want to be trading a breakout if there isn't going to be a breakout. Obviously, I'm trading inside of Friday's trading range. So that's a much narrow, tighter trading range. I'm going to be trading off of support and resistance like the HL30. So what I have here is the previous day's high and low marked in, and then I have some trade alerts. So as price approaches within that 10 pip range for the HL30s, I'll be notified whether it happens during the Asian session or the London session. I can never really tell. It really depends on how the markets open for the Asian session, any trading activity, any economic data. And then it might move price around towards one of these two levels. February 23rd, I've got the trading range, and here are the 10 pip levels to identify the HL30 when or if they actually develop. Remember, we're trading inside of the previous day's trading range. I want to be aware of that. There's not really the potential here at this moment for a breakout. So what I'm expecting is the possibility of trading reversals off of support or resistance. This is the dollar Swiss. Same thing here with the pound dollar. The pound dollar, again, we traded that this morning or earlier this morning, which was the HL30 off of support. Now we're looking at the possibility of trading an HL30 off of resistance if it's going to remain inside of this consolidation range. If we go back to Wednesday of last week, we've got a spike high. Now at this point, I just need price to move back up within that 10 pip range for the HL30. That 10 pip range there is 1.5464 or 65, right around that level. When it hits that level, if it gives me a reversal, I may consider selling it off of that resistance point. And the same thing here with the the dollar yen. The dollar yen, I'm probably going to stay away from this one. So far, it looks like it's holding at support, but I don't know that I'll be trading it during the Asian session. I might need to wait another day or two to trade this one. So that's really all we're doing at this moment. I don't know if I'm going to see any trading. Usually Tuesday they tend to be a higher number of trades on Tuesday, so I will be looking for that. But often they don't set up until the London session. So the next update will be after the New York trading session on Tuesday.